Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you don't know who I am already, I'm Leonie and today we are joined by my boyfriend Will.
Toodles.
His channel is linked down below. He does Football Manager videos, so if you're into that sort of thing then be sure to check him out. But we went to Ikea the other day. We were in the little snack section and decided we were going to get some snacks.
And a basket to put them in.
So we got some snacks and we're going to try some Swedish snacks from Ikea today, and we've also got 2 teas and a coffee to try. So we also picked up some of the Swedish meatballs, but we've had them before and they are lovely. I just forgot to cook them for this video. But yeah, so should we start off with a drink?
Yes.
Yeah, should we start off with...
Coffee. Always coffee.
Okay.
It's early in the morning.
Starting off with the coffee. So I'll try the coffee. Oh, I need to put the thing on.
We done it?
Yeah.
Nice. Oh, satisfying.
Hey. Coffee.
After you.
It's not bad.
Is it not bad?
It's quite hot still. Definitely needs some sugar in it to drink it black.
Oh, that's very coffee-y.
It is. It's a dark roast, so it is quite strong.
That's nice.
Yeah,
I don't think I need sugar.
It's a bit acidic.
For me,
but it does say it's quite acidic on the... How do you rate the coffee?
I'll give it a solid 8. I really like it.
Yeah, I think it's 7.5 for me. Should we have a snack next?
Yes, let's have a snack.
What is on the top of the bag? We have Holly Original with a taste of chocolate, Iraq, butter toffee and vanilla. Oh, okay.
Oh.
They're smaller than I thought they would be.
Oh, I thought they were going to be in like individual packets.
Oh no, I thought there was going to be a big bag of them, but I thought they'd be bigger.
Oh, okay. Well, cheers.
Cheers.
Oh, there. Ooh.
Very chewy.
It's like chewing gum.
I
wasn't expecting that.
It really does taste like I'm chewing gum. You bite into it, chew it for a bit, and then it feels like you're chewing gum. It has like a weird chocolatey taste to it.
I want to eat all of them, but at the same time, I'd never want to eat them again. Yeah, one of those. Middle of the road. I'm going to go for a 6, because they're not awful.
I'm going to go for a 7, because they're nice, but they're very strange.
Yeah, the texture of it is a bit... You know what I mean? Next
up we have something I can't lift up, so let's go to the biscuit tin.
Yeah, that's how.
We have Oat Biscuits with cinnamon.
It's going to be fun. I don't like cinnamon that much.
They're a lot smaller than I thought they would
Yeah. These are going to be crumbly as hell, aren't they?
Probably.
Cheers.
They taste like Christmas. Very cinnamony, I like.
I'm not a huge fan.
I like them.
Too cinnamony. Too much cinnamon for me.
Out of 10?
4. They have a really nice texture though.
I'm giving them a 9 out of 10.
No, you're...
Deducting 1 point because they're small. Biscuits with raspberry flavoured filling.
It's a Jammy Dodger.
It is a Jammy Dodger.
It's a Swedish Jammy Dodger. It's a tiny Jammy Dodger.
Yeah.
I hope that focuses. Cheers.
Right, Jammy Dodgers. It's not as sweet as a Jammy Dodger.
No, but it's more berry-y.
Yeah.
More flavourful.
I like these more than I would a Jammy Dodger. It's Jammy Dodgers, they're like really sweet and not that fruity. But this is the other way around. It's really fruity and not too sweet.
I much prefer that to a Jammy Dodger. As a general rule, I'm not a massive fan of Jammy Dodgers, but no, I'd much prefer them to Jammy Dodgers. Really nice. I'm going to give them a 9 straight off the bat. If they were,
I agree.
If they were a touch sweeter, it'd be a 10.
And we have the white and green tea of cherry blossom flavour. Oh wow.
Oh, is it good?
That is beautiful.
You are Mrs. T, so... Ooh, that's not my cup of tea.
Although actually it's your cup of tea.
It's in my cup, yeah.
Oh, I love that.
It's alright.
I'm giving this a 10 out of 10.
I'll give it a 7.
Fair. Next up is
Billa. Algren's Sverges something.
So they look like foamy sweets.
This is your kind of video, isn't it? Sweeties. They're not foaming. Oh, I don't mind them.
They're very strange. They're like not super chewy. They're harder than I expected them to be.
You know the yolk of one of the fried egg sweets from Haribo? It's got like that kind of hardness and texture.
Yeah,
With the
but
taste
with the taste of the yolk.
With the taste of the
white. Yeah. Yeah. I'm gonna give them an 8 because I like them and I would eat the whole pack. But I'm still confused.
I'm gonna give them a 9. I could eat the whole pack, and I don't even like sweets that enough to eat a whole pack. I couldn't eat a whole pack of Haribo like you do. But I could eat them all day.
Next up, we have cappuccino thins.
Now we're talking.
Oh, I might dip this in a coffee. In the coffee.
Dip it in your tea. Hands off my coffee. Cappuccino thins. Cheers.
Cappuccino thins. They smell cappuccino-y. Oh my god, they are beautiful. They're like, they taste like the frothy part of like the frothy milk in the cappuccino.
Right there.
Next up, we have these Maribo Dimes, or Dames, however you wish to say them.
Dane.
We have had these before, admittedly, and I absolutely love them.
Thins.
They're quite thin, a little, but...
Bottoms up. It's chocolate with Dame. It wins.
It's not as good as I remember though. It's not as damey as I remember.
No.
But it's like a nice creamy milk chocolate with a bit of Dame in it, like
Really creamy.
like a Dairy Milk Dime bar, but creamier and nicer. Next up we have the chocolate version of the Ikea Jammy Dodgers.
Oh yeah, give me the broken one. Yeah, I see
Oh,
how
the
it is.
broken one if you want.
That's right.
Exactly. So it's
really
like
nice.
a chocolate biscuit on the top and like a normal vanilla-ish
Smell
biscuit.
it.
Oh wow, that is very chocolatey. Cheers. I'm gonna go for the for an 8.5 because when you get to the chocolatey heart in the middle, it's beautiful chocolate.
Unpopular opinion. Not keen.
I definitely prefer the raspberry ones,
Oh, they're top and tails.
but I do quite like these.
I'm gonna give them a 6. They're okay.
We've got 3 bars of chocolate left to try yet.
Oh god.
Pick up the green one. I think this is hazelnut if I remember.
Yeah. Cheers.
It's okay. It just tastes like your standard cheap chocolate with a couple of hazelnuts in it.
4.
Actually, I love the nuttiness of it. I'm gonna give it a 6. Time for tea! So next up is black chive, ginger and elderberry tea.
I'll let
Got
you
that one
sample
there.
first.
Okay, I'll give it a stir. Oh wow,
Is it good?
that is good.
Is it good?
That is good.
That is good.
It's amazing. It's like so fruity yet so spiced from the chai.
That's really nice. And I'm not
It's
a massive
absolutely
loose tea.
lovely.
I like my normal tea. So what would you rate the tea?
I'd give the tea a 10 out of 10.
Yeah, I'd second that.
Yes, dark chocolate.
Dark chocolate, I'll do.
Good for you.
Cheers.
Cheers.
It's nice dark chocolate.
Tastes like, you know, just normal cheap dark chocolate you get from like Londis.
But it's still got that nice creaminess that the hazelnut one had.
It's creamy but very bitter.
Yeah.
7 out of 10.
6. No. I'm being harsh there. 7, I think, yeah.
Okay,
Yeah,
next
7.
we'll have some orange thins. Sweden's most loved pepparkaka. Ah, ginger thins or pepparkaka in Swedish.
Ah! Cappuccino ginger thins, dude. Nummy.
And now let's try some orange ginger thins.
Mmm.
Cheers.
Cheers.
I like these.
Yeah, they're okay.
I like them. I can taste the ginger in it now.
Yeah, now that I know it's ginger, I know what that weird taste is. It's ginger. I thought it was cinnamon, but it's not. It's ginger. It's alright.
I give it an 8 out of 10, I think.
I'll go for a 7 on that.
Yeah?
Yeah.
And next up, we'll have the other bar of chocolate.
Yeah, let's finish off the chocolate bars.
So we've got milk chocolate.
I'm expecting corner shop,
Yeah.
50p, Euro
Melted
shopper.
a bit on the radiator.
Okay.
No, it just tastes like your average
Yeah.
bar of cheap chocolate you get from the corner shop.
Yep.
And last up, our Swedish Fish.
Yes, I
Hello.
thought you might want to come and say hello.
Hello. Hey, come
Hey, good boy.
Good boy.
You've just tail whipped your brother, is what you've just done.
You're going to be in our last taste test video. Last taste test section.
Mummy, I won't. I'm gonna go for a red one, I think. Mwah. What are you doing, dog? What are you doing? Kayaks, mate.
Right, how do you rate the Swedish Fish?
Yeah, I'm gonna give them a kind 5. They're really, really sticky. They're really nice tasting, but that texture's
Yeah, they
weird.
are really sticky. I think I'm going to give them a 7. I do like them, but like Will said, they are rather sticky. Okay, so that's all the food and drink that we have for you guys today. If you guys enjoyed watching this video, please make sure to give it a like and comment down below. And make sure to subscribe as well as turn on the notification bell. See you next time. Bye!